subscribe, and make it happen.
And making it happen, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm just here in Koh Samui at a barbecue, hanging out with some new friends, and we're having a good time. Woo! 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 61, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not about to think wet or anything.
Hey guys, so the rest of this video is going to be filmed like a story time. Unfortunately, when I was recording, I didn't realize music was playing the entire time, and you can kind of hear us but barely hear us. It's a struggle, but also there's too much music playing for me to post it without probably getting in trouble. So here's what happened. So I met Ayesha, and I'll show you her picture here. I met Ayesha, well, not in person. We met online in a Facebook travel group, and then we figured out that we were both in Thailand at the same time. And then on top of that, we were both vacationing in Koh Samui at the same time. So we decided to link up, her and her girlfriend, me and my friends, and we got together and we did like a little barbecue. It was supposed to be outside, but it started raining, so we moved the party inside. And yeah, so we made some burgers, some wings, mac and cheese, had some conversation. It was cool. So my two guy friends, they're from South Africa, and then Ayesha, myself, and her girlfriend were all from the States, which was nice to have somebody else to hang out with from the States. So after we finished setting the table and finished making the food, we finally sat down to eat, and we had conversations going for hours. You know, we spoke about life, dreams, goals, and aspirations, and it was really cool. And I think, you know, it's so like interesting and so awesome that, you know, people can just meet. You can just meet anyone from around the world, and you can become instant friends. Like, you know, even if the friendship doesn't last for a lifetime, in this moment right here, we were having such a good time, and we'd only all just met each other. Like, I met Ayesha and Sam that day, and I met Tyrone and Yvonne only 2 weeks prior, and then we went on vacation together, and it was so awesome. It was great. So yeah, you know, that's one of the things I wanted to show with this video, is that you can click with people in such random places and, you know, have a great time. So yeah, one of our biggest debates was about putting mayonnaise on burgers. I thought mayo on burgers were a fast food thing, but I guess it is a regular thing that people do. It's not something that I do. Like, I didn't know people put mayo on regular homemade hamburgers. I didn't know that was a thing. Sorry, not sorry. I only put ketchup on my burger, and maybe occasionally barbecue sauce if I'm trying to get a little spicy with it. You know what I'm saying? So if you're like me, comment below. Ketchup crew all day, every day. No, but I'm gonna end the video here, and I'm gonna sign off, and I'm just gonna let you hear some of the conversation that we had, and hopefully the music is not gonna get me in trouble. But yeah, anyway, as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video. I hope you enjoy. Deuces.
This is like Thanksgiving, like Thanksgiving. This is like Thanksgiving.
This is like a huge ass.
We'll call it in Florida when we're with our friends. We call it Friendsgiving.
Thanksgiving. Oh, that's actually nice.
Oh my God, yes.
See, American also eat the mayo. They've been fighting with us eating mayo on our burgers.
Yeah,
And on
no one, unless you go to McDonald's or Burger King. You don't eat. Oh, girl, you
thank you. Can I go? Can I get a picture?
No, ketchup.
I need a picture. Wait.
And maybe some barbecue sauce. button, subscribe, and make it happen.